Okay guys, I'm out in the middle of the hall. It's 3 o'clock in the morning. And I wanted to show you, we have got some 360 videos. And there's usually a little icon up here in the corner, upper left corner, a little round ball, which I don't know why it's not here right now. It was earlier. That's how you're going to tell if it's a 360 video. Also, you'll see your cursor becomes a hand, and if you click down, hold, you can move the picture around, okay? While it's even playing, you can look around. In this particular case, I'm holding the camera. You can see the top of my head there. I hold it over my head, and you can look around. Now, we're going outside and looking at a sunset. You're going to be watching this video, and it's going to be audio that you can hear. This camera doesn't grab that sunset because it overexposes it. I handed the camera off here to Ginger. As you can see, it's never mind. But what you can do with this is you can stop. You can even pause it. Okay, there I am taking pictures. You can pause it down here and just stop and look around and just see what's going on. And there's Ginger. She's holding it. You can see half her hand's missing because that's where it's being held. There's my feet down there. There she is. So this is what's called a 360 camera. It has two lenses, one in the front and one in the back, and they each do 180 degrees. Alright, so again, you just click and drag it around. Now, if the icon was here, it has little arrows, and you can just push it left and right on the arrows, and that will show you, and that will just move it left and right and then up and down. To me, it's easier just to grab it and grab it like this. Now, if we move it along a little bit, I take the camera back. There, I'm grabbing it back there, and we're going to go back inside. So that's pretty much straight, you know, right there, that's pretty straight ahead of me. So that's how you know where it is. Alright, so this is called a 360 camera. It will be called something like that. It should say V360, so that you know what it is. And that means that you can move it around. Alright, if you have any questions or comments, put them down below the video, this video or any of the videos that have this feature, and we'll help you with it. It's a lot of fun to do these, and I hope you guys enjoy them. Thanks.